Google's Made by Google hardware event has just ended, and we've got the scoop on the new Pixel 9 series and updates across their range of devices. Even though many details were leaked beforehand, there were still some surprises left. Hi, I'm Shivangi from India TV, and I'll update you on all the key announcements from Google's latest hardware event. The Pixel 9 series took center stage at the event, featuring 4 different models designed to meet a wide range of preferences and needs. Starting with the base model, the Pixel 9 comes with a 6.3-inch display that's bright and smooth, boasting a 120Hz refresh rate and 2700 nits peak brightness. It's durable with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and is both water and dust resistant. Powered by the Tensor G4 chip, it includes 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, along with a dual camera setup featuring a 50MP wide lens and a 48MP ultra wide lens. The Pixel 9 is priced at Rs 79,999 in India. Now, for those seeking a bit more power, the Pixel 9 Pro is a great option. It features a 6.3-inch Super Actua display with high resolution and increased brightness. With the same Tensor G4 chip, it comes with 16GB of RAM and up to 1TB of storage. The Pro model boasts a triple camera system including a 50MP main camera, a 48MP ultra wide and a 48MP telephoto lens. It is priced at Rs 1,09,999. Moving up in size, the Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a larger 6.8-inch display. While it shares similar specs with the Pro model, it includes a larger 5060 mAh battery for extended use. This model is priced at Rs 1,24,990. In addition to this, Google introduced its first foldable phone, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. This innovative device features a 6.3-inch cover display and an 8-inch main display, both with a 120Hz refresh rate. When unfolded, it reveals a larger screen and includes a powerful camera system with a 48MP main camera and a 10.8MP telephoto lens. Pricing for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold varies based on configuration. Now, expanding beyond phones, the new Pixel Watch 3 comes in 2 sizes and is crafted from recycled aluminium. It features a bright display and advanced fitness tracking capabilities, including new running routines and cardio tracking. The watch offers up to 24 hours of battery life with the always-on display and is priced at Rs 39,900. Lastly, the Pixel Buds Pro 2 are Google's latest wireless earbuds. They offer improved noise cancellation and enhanced audio thanks to the Tensor A1 chip. These earbuds work seamlessly with Google's AI assistant and provide up to 30 hours of battery life with the case. They are priced at Rs 22,900. So that wraps up the highlights from the Made by Google event. Which product caught your eye and which one are you thinking of buying? Do let us know in the comments. Till then, keep watching India TV.